Start dancing.
Hi.
Dude, they seriously wave back to you.
I know, because I'm cool like that.
Okay, go ahead, start dancing.
Can you do the monkey?
The monkey? Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
Because I have a really nice butt. I have a very nice gluteus maximus. And I know everybody digs it. And everybody knows who I am. So I'm famous!
Show us your abs, dude.
Shows my butt! See? Looking like a fool with my pants on the ground.
Show us your abs that you
My
worked
abs?
so hard for.
I worked so hard for these abs, but I ain't like...